Bobo the monkey wants bananas from Chimp. Chimp has 10 bananas. Bobo has 3 coconuts. To Bobo, those coconuts are treasure. He spent all morning climbing trees and dodging snakes just to find them. Feeling proud, Bobo walks up to Chimp and says confidently, "Trade my 3 coconuts for your 10 bananas?" Chimp bursts out laughing. He laughs so hard that even the nearby monkeys join in. Bobo's smile fades. He doesn't understand. He thought it was a fair deal. As the laughter echoes through the jungle, Bobo begins to wonder, why is negotiation so hard? Why do some monkeys always win trades, while Bobo always loses? Bobo needs bananas. His family is hungry. He's already tried negotiating 5 times today, and failed 5 times. If Bobo can't learn to negotiate, there'll be no bananas. No bananas means no food. No food means a hungry family. And a hungry family means a very sad Bobo. But hunger isn't the only problem. Something worse is happening. Other monkeys are watching. They've seen Bobo fail over and over again. Now, they whisper behind banana stands. Bobo is a weak trader. And in the monkey economy, reputation is everything. A monkey with a bad reputation pays more bananas for the same coconut. A monkey with a good reputation? He gets discounts everywhere. Bobo's bad deals today mean expensive bananas tomorrow. Tomorrow becomes expensive coconuts. Next week, no trades at all. Soon, no one will trade with him. Bobo will be blacklisted from the banana market. Yes, that's a real thing in monkey world. So what exactly is negotiation? It's simple. 2 monkeys want different things. Each monkey has something, and each monkey wants something else. They talk. They trade. Everybody wins. At least, that's how it's supposed to work. But negotiation isn't just about trading items. It's about trading value. Value is what each monkey thinks something is worth. Bobo believes his coconuts are worth 10 bananas. Chimp believes they're worth only 2. That's a big gap. A banana-sized misunderstanding. Good negotiation finds the middle ground. Bad negotiation finds no ground at all. And poor Bobo? He keeps finding no ground. That's called a deadlock. Nobody trades. Everybody loses. If Bobo wants to survive the jungle marketplace, he needs to learn how negotiation really works. The next day, Bobo decides to watch and learn. He spots Zara, the oldest, wisest, and most respected trader in the jungle. Zara wants bananas from Chimp too. She has 3 coconuts. Same setup as Bobo yesterday, but something feels different. Zara doesn't rush. She stands there, calm and silent. Chimp looks uneasy, then breaks the silence first. "I give you 4 bananas for 3 coconuts." Zara doesn't reply. She just stares at the bananas. Seconds pass. The silence grows heavy. Chimp starts to sweat. He fidgets, looks around, and finally blurts out, Okay, 6 bananas." Still nothing from Zara. She quietly examines 1 coconut. More silence. Chimp panics. He thinks Zara might walk away. 8 bananas. Final offer, he yells. Zara nods once, takes the 8 bananas, and walks away without a word. Bobo's eyes widen. His tiny monkey brain explodes. Zara said almost nothing, and got 8 bananas. Bobo said everything, and got 0. That's when it hits him. Talking less makes you win more. He flashes back to his own failed trades. How he explained how rare his coconuts were. How he bragged, pleaded, and begged. He showed desperation. And Chimp saw it. Desperate monkey gets bad deal. Back in the present, Bobo sits deep in thought. He finally understands 3 golden secrets of negotiation. 1. Silence is power. 2. Patience is leverage. 3. The monkey who speaks first loses. Bobo realizes he's been doing negotiation completely backwards his whole life. Principle 1. Never show desperation. When a monkey looks desperate, every other monkey can smell it. And in the jungle market, desperation smells worse than rotten bananas. Weakness means a low price. A low price means a bad deal. So even if your stomach is growling and your coconuts are the last thing you own, act like you can walk away anytime. Because this is the rule of the wise traders. Always have a batna. Your best alternative to a negotiated agreement. A monkey with options gets respect. A monkey without options gets robbed. Principle 2. Let them make the first offer. The monkey who speaks first reveals information. And in any trade, information is power. Give away information, and you give away your power too. When Chimp offered 4 bananas first, he unknowingly showed his starting point. Zara, on the other hand, stayed silent. She learned Chimp's position without ever revealing hers. That's the secret. Silence listens, talking leaks power. Principle 3. Use silence as a weapon. Silence makes monkeys very uncomfortable. And uncomfortable monkeys start talking, just to fill the silence. But every time a monkey fills that silence, they give something away. They make concessions, meaning they offer more just to close the deal. That's exactly what happened with Zara. She stayed silent. Chimp panicked, and filled the silence with better offers. Silence isn't empty, it's pressure. And the calm monkey always wins under pressure. Principle 4. Anchor high or low. The first number mentioned in a trade becomes the anchor point. Every other number after that gets judged against it. So if Bobo wants 6 bananas, he should start by asking for 10. Now, when he finally agrees to 6, Chimp feels like he won the negotiation. Both monkeys walk away happy. Both think they got a great deal. That's called anchoring bias, and yes, it works on humans too. The next morning, Bobo walks back to Chimp's stand. But this time, something about him is different. His face is calm. His posture relaxed. There's no trace of the desperate monkey from yesterday. Chimp spots him coming and smirks. He remembers how easily he rejected Bobo last time. He's expecting another quick win. But Bobo doesn't speak. He just stands there, eyes on the bananas. Chimp waits. Bobo casually examines his coconuts, still silent. 5 seconds pass. 10. 15. The silence starts to sting. Chimp shifts uncomfortably. He's not used to this. Finally he breaks. So, you want to trade or what? Bobo shrugs. Maybe. How many bananas you thinking? Now Chimp's on the defensive. He wasn't ready for that question. 5 bananas for 3 coconuts? He stammers. Bobo stays quiet again. He picks up a coconut and slowly turns to leave. Chimp panics. Wait! 7 bananas! Bobo stops. Turns around slowly. He lets the silence hang. The crowd of monkeys gathers, everyone watching this rematch. Finally, Bobo says, calm and confident. 2 coconuts for 7 bananas. Chimp's eyes widen, the deal just flipped. But he already shouted, 7 bananas, in front of everyone. Backing down now would mean losing face. He thinks for a moment, then nods. Deal. In slow motion, they trade, bananas for coconuts. Bobo walks away with 7 bananas and 1 extra coconut. The other monkeys cheer. They can feel it, something changed. Bobo is no longer the desperate monkey. He's the calm one. The powerful one. Bobo just learned the ultimate truth. Negotiation is psychological warfare, with fruit. Negotiation isn't about talking more. It's about patience and control. The best negotiators don't rush. They stay calm. They let the other side speak first, reveal their cards, and show their hunger. A good negotiator uses silence like a weapon. Not to intimidate, but to control the rhythm of the trade. Because in the end, silence wins more bananas than words ever will.